What's going on, guys? Happy holidays from NRG Creative. So it's the end of November here, so I've got a special sale. This is going to be the last sale that I do for the year, guys. So this is it. I've got to get ready to start pumping out these Jeep 360 mounts that I've got a kind of a contract to do on there. So I'm going to do one more push for the seadoo mounts, and this will go for the seadoo switch items that are on my site also. But let's talk about some of them. So special sale, and it's going to be 3 days only, guys. Take advantage of this while you can. Stick around. All right, guys, thanks for joining me today. Like I said, special sale is going to be 3 days only. It's going to be December 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. After that, the sale is gone. There will not be another one in 2024. So I know jet ski season is up for a lot of you people, especially up north, but these make great gifts also. So if you're looking for the traditional flag mounts, looking for the side mount, I love this thing. And these mounts all fit for the skis. They fit for the 2018 and newer Sea-Doos. The front mounts will work on the GTX style RXT, where you've got that hood mount like the GTX. It's not going to work on your GTIs and so on, but that's where these come in handy. On the side mount, these things are fantastic. Like I said, front mounts. We've even got phone mounts. Check them out on the website. Or if you're looking for the new angled mount, this thing is beefy as hell, guys. It will hold, with the included bushing, anywhere from the smaller 25 millimeter selfie sticks all the way up to the 36 millimeter selfie stick. They screw into the base. You can also secure it here. And also these come in the dual version where you can run a flag as well as the selfie stick. Not at the same time, of course. So, like I said, I'm going to run 2 different coupons here for 3 days. I'm going to run a 25% off for all orders up to $100. So $99 and below, I'm going to give you guys a 25% off coupon. That's about what I've been running. And if you're going over $100, it's going to be a 40% coupon. So it's going to be for the 3 days only. Guys, I want to mention one thing for my international guys to Canada. I guess right now USPS is having a strike up there. So shipping will be delayed just a little bit because I'm going to have to convert everything over from Etsy shipping to standard shipping and use UPS for that. But everybody else, I'll throw 2 links up in the description of this video. It's going to be my NRG website, and it's all NRG Creative website, and it's also going to be the Etsy store. The Etsy store you can use in the U.S. also. The prices are the same, but it's primarily for international shipping, as my website does not handle that. So the coupons will be at the end of this also. I also will be posting it in all new products and so on my Sea-Doo custom mounts Facebook group. I'll leave the link to that in the description. And like I said, these mounts especially, they're the beefiest thing on the market. Don't settle for those ones that are just single like this. Get the bad boy. After those guys at Florida Ski Riders, Randy Cabrera and them, stole my design, actually tricked me into sending them my original one, I came out with something better and just kind of throwing it in their face there, because you can't get this anywhere but here. Guys, happy holidays. Enjoy the sale. It's 3 days only. After this, there's no more sales this year, guys. Thanks for looking. We will see you next time. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Have a good holidays, guys.